how to fix the welcome to Instagram problem that many Instagram users are currently experiencing. If you're seeing this problem, you may notice that posts are not showing up on your Instagram feed, even though you're logged into your account. So, how can you fix this problem? First, if you're not following anyone on your Instagram account, try following 1 or 2 accounts. Then, search for an account and like a few of their posts. This can help Instagram start showing recommended posts in your feed. But if the problem still doesn't go away, try this next method. On Android, long press the Instagram app and open app info. Then go to storage and clear the cache. You can also clear the app data and force stop Instagram. After that, open Instagram again and check if the problem has been fixed. You can also try logging out of your Instagram account and logging back in. If you're still experiencing the issue, don't worry. This appears to be a current Instagram glitch that is affecting multiple users. To report the problem, open your Instagram profile and tap the 3-line menu in the top right corner. Then go to the Help section and select Report Problem. Submit feedback explaining the issue you're experiencing. You can also try changing your Instagram account password and then logging in again to see if that resolves the problem. As you can see, the problem is fixed on my account, and I can now see posts normally. So, if you're facing the welcome to Instagram problem, try these methods and hopefully you'll be able to use Instagram normally again. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.